today.
Thank you. You too. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and this video is going to be about my lock journey. I'm going to talk about tips on how to maintain healthy, strong locks. I'm also going to tell you what beauty products I use. I'm also going to share some beauty tips as well. What I go through in the morning, what I put on my face to keep it nice and shiny, glowy. So I am 27 years old. I was born in England. My mother is from Ghana and my dad is from Barbados. So I kind of have the whole African diaspora in my blood. I have a 17-month-old son. He is, of course, half Ghanaian, half Bayesian, and half Jamaican. So I love it. Some of my videos will be on the types of locks that's out there. I also explain which ones I decided to get and why I decided to choose that type of lock. I also have a video on how to repair the locks, because I do have some that are quite thin. So I'll also go into that and show you what methods I use to repair them and how you can maintain them. Now I'm gonna head inside and show you a full 360 view of my locks.